Okay, I'm recording this. We're looking at the light bender. And if you look at this sight, it looks no different than any other sight. When I'm focused on the back of the sight, now this is your human eye focusing on the back of the sight, you'll notice that the target is blurry. So how do I make that target in focus? Well, I go over here and I take my camera and I focus it on the target, which is no different than your eye looking off at a target. Now when I come back with the light bender, I'm bringing that right up to there, and now you have a target in focus, and the pins are in focus also, because I've taken the diverging light, when you normally would be, your eye would have to change and focus on the pins and not see the target. I've turned it into parallel light, and now you can see depth of field. Your pins are in focus with your target. Also, this archery bow is chucked up into a vise, so it's not moving, only my camera moves. Notice that if I lower the camera, like it was my eye, you can still see that dot, it stays on the target. So your bow, you can be looking at this high or low, and it gets rid of parallax, so you can still shoot it, whether it's there, there, or there. Each shot will go in the same place. Now we're talking about depth of field. I want you to see what happens if my eye says, okay, I'm going to focus on the bow. I come over here and I focus on the bow. Well, see, now I focused on the bow, but you can see that the target blurred. So the target in the background is blurry. Now I come over, focus at infinity, and now I'm focused with the target, and see how the target is nice and crisp and in focus. Plus, I eliminate the parallax issue. See how that pin stays on the target when I lower the camera or I raise the camera. Now what's unique is, if I change and I go to the green pin, and I'd have to change the bow to get it to go to the green pin, and the green pin will stay in the same thing, same area. It'll get rid of parallax, and it will have the same range of field, but it'll shoot at a farther distance. So this is really important to understand. You can tell yourself, if you look at a pin in front of your eye and you focus on it, the target blurs. Whereas this, not only does the pin stay in focus and the target are in focus, that it also eliminates parallax up and down. And if you torque the bow, it will go out of the lens and it will go out of focus. Take one.